Hello guys, welcome to A to Z Guru. So today we will continue part 4 of Jquery tutorial. So today I will explain you two methods in Jquery, that is hide and show. So these are the two methods which we will finish today. So in this section I will explain how we are using, why we are using that hide and show. So with jQuery, as a name you are seeing here, hide means whatever element you are using or that particular ID. By hide function, you can hide that particular element or that particular ID or that particular class, and vice versa, show. So come to the practical session. This program I written for hide and show in jQuery. So I'm zooming it. See, uh, here I imported one library, that CDN, that Google CDN. Already I told how we can include that. See, this is the script tag. In that I am importing. So since this is my first program of jQuery, so I'll go line by line. So here, since this is HTML5 I'm using, so doc type HTML, and here inside head we are including that CDN. So script, you already know how to include external JS in web page. So inside script tag, we are taking that CDN. This is Google CDN, and I written one event, as already I explained why we are writing inside this document.ready. You can see that video. So once I'm explaining also, like it is waiting to load all document, then particular effect will happen. Okay, so here I took hide one ID. See here, I'm zooming it. See, I took two button. That button I gave ID name hide, and this is value of that button, and button, another button which ID show. So here, as I already explained why we are using dollar, I'm explaining again. Here I written theory also, that dollar sign access jQuery. Okay, so here it representing, it's accessing the jQuery. Okay, and here also. So whatever, wherever we are using that, that means, which means we are accessing the jQuery. So here, this is the selector. This is the selector. Means inside that it will, what is the work of selector? It will find HTML element. It will find HTML element. So since this is the ID, so it will find where hide ID is exist in this web page. So it will go line by line, it will execute top to bottom, and see, it will find hide here. And what event I written over here? click event. When I'll fire that click event, so as here third action, so click will action, okay. Then inside that this is nothing but a function. Inside that I return that para hide. So where is the para? This is the selector. So again program will execute. It will go top to bottom. Here it will find para. Okay. So how it will execute? So here this is the program output. This is my web page. So see, better. I'm zooming it. See, here I took two buttons, one hide, one show. So if I'll click hide, it hiding. If I'm clicking show, it showing that paragraph. So how basically it's working? As I told, execution will happen top to bottom. So here suppose I am clicking the hide button. So when I'll click hide button, it will call that function. Okay. So here whenever I am clicking that button, so since here I am taking hide ID, so whenever I will click the hide, then this section will execute. So what is the work of this section? This will hide the this para id. So where is the para id? Here. So it will hide this section. Same for show also. Whenever I will click this show button, it will exit. It will click event will happen and it will execute this section. And where is the para? If that will hide, then it will show. If already it's showing, then no need to show. See, here already paragraph is showing. So if I will click, nothing is happening. But whenever I am clicking this hide, so that event, click event appearing and it is hiding that paragraph. So since it hide, so whenever I am clicking show, it's showing that. So this is all about hide and show. So I think you already clear about that hide and show function of jQuery. And since this is my first programming in jQuery, so that's why I explained you more in detail. So thanks guys. This is all about hide and show of jQuery. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt, any suggestion you wanna give me, just comment in comment section and share the video.